Good evening. I'm your host, Dylan.
And I'm Kinley.
And you're watching the CMS Broadcast. It's Wednesday, January 29th.
Great job to Miss Collins' drama class yesterday.
The play was amazing.
Tomorrow's the last day to turn in missing work, so make sure you get all your missing work in.
On that note, make sure to get to all your classes on time, as today is the final day of the school-wide party competition.
Now that we got all of that out of the way, you want to hear the joke of the week?
Sure.
Why are eyeshadow, lipstick, and mascara never mad at each other?
How come?
Because they always make up.
How do you come up with these?
My big brain, duh.
Okay then, back to the broadcast.
Right.
Tomorrow's lunch is a nacho bar.
Oh, that goes perfect because today is National Corn Chip Day.
Yeah, they fit perfectly like a puzzle because it's also National Puzzle Day.
Whoa, it's like the universe was just waiting for this moment to happen.
I know, right? Anyways, there will be no school on February 17th in honors of President's Day.
But that also means that we have Friday school, again, for the third time.
Yay!
But on the good side, Stuco will be selling candy grams starting on February 3rd for Valentine's Day.
So make sure to buy some before they're all out.
Oh yeah, speaking of, the day before that is Groundhog Day.
Hopefully spring comes soon. I'm getting sick of all this cold weather.
You and me both, girl.
I think that's all for the broadcast.
No, we forgot something.
We did?
The character of the week, silly.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Anyways, the character of the week is...
Wait, can I say it this time?
Fine, but I get to say it next time.
Okay, drum roll please. Flounder.
Oh yay, I love Flounder.
Sebastian's better.
Is not.
Is too.
Is not.
Is, well, is your flounder jacked like Sebastian?
Well, he's working on it.
Yeah, whatever.
But now we can officially end the CMS broadcast.
Until next time.
Bye.